It's that time of year again. Time to adjust our exterior sliding doors. This one is not locking, and as you can see, there's a gap that's wider at the bottom than the top. To adjust sliding doors, there are two rollers at the base. In a Marvin door, which these are, it's these holes that are covered by pegs. One roll in the front, one in the back. And Marvin is flathead. Other doors, it's a Phillips, and the holes are on the sides of the door instead of, on the front and back rather than on the sides like this. So on this panel, you remove the little pegs, and right is tight, right is up, left is down. As you can see, it kind of clicks into place. On a Marvin door, if you go all the way down, it seems to stop rolling. So I just go up one click. I'm going to move the front up. If I can find it. There we go. Takes a little force. Oh, it's already up all the way. Okay, and that's a better gap. Still a little bit of light showing, but closer. All right, we're golden.